Good evening, everyone. This is our first out of 5 episodes regarding Lilliana's Law, which would require yearly school inspections in Michigan, sponsored by Michigan House Representative Ryan Berman and co-sponsored by Michigan House Representatives Alex Garza and Gary Eisen. My name is Tabitha Kerr, and I'm Lilliana's mother. Lilliana lost her life January 20th, 2017. When a poorly secured cafeteria table that was supposed to be removed years prior fell on her while she was attending school. My daughter was only 3 years old. Lilliana has a twin sister, Tarani, who's now 6, and an older brother, Jaden, who's 12. We miss her every day. Here are some photos of my family at my brother and sister-in-law's wedding to represent what our family once was. I'm a grieving mother. I'm a single mother, and this mini-series purpose is to share our journey in the hope to help your family in the best of my ability. During these past 3 years, with help and encouragement, we've been fighting for yearly school inspections in Michigan, and currently we're waiting for our next hearing in the Ways and Means Committee. The information I'll be sharing in this episode will have links provided in the comment section. So what exactly is Lilliana's Law? I can tell you that it's so much more than just yearly school inspections. Lilliana's Law doesn't pick and choose which school buildings are safe to send our kids to. Lilliana's Law would protect our children, their students, in over 4,500 Michigan schools. Lilliana's Law would require each school to be inspected by guidelines published by the Department of Health and Human Services. School buildings, by their definition, would mean a building used primarily to provide instruction to pupils and a recreational or athletic structure or field intended to be used by pupils. Lilliana's Law would protect early education students, K-12 public school students, and K-12 non-public school students. Depending on the classification of school you send your child to, the superintendents have guidelines on how to delegate these inspections. Lilliana's Law would require proof of these inspections. In the event of a modification or remedial measure is required, there needs to be proof that work has been completed and the steps in doing so, within a time frame, depending on what needs to be done. Lilliana's Law would require proof of these inspections. In the event of a modification or remedial measure is required, there needs to be proof that work has been completed and the steps in doing so, within a time frame, depending on what needs to be done. Lilliana's Law would require transparency. These inspection reports would be required to be posted on your school's website. And this is important. Currently, unless your child goes to a daycare center, an early learning child care center, or if there's an early learning child care center in your school, then there is no public access to check your school's inspection records. If you're looking for a daycare center or an early learning child care center for your child to attend, the child care licensing search provided by Laura is supposed to be a good tool to educate yourselves about their facilities. On the second page of Lilliana's Law's legislative analysis, it will outline the fiscal impacts between local and state governments. Let's be honest, nothing is free. Lilliana's Law will be an adjustment that we have the capability adapting to. I will address fiscal impacts in a later episode. On page 3, on Lilliana's Law's legislative analysis, it states, while constituent school districts are not explicitly required to perform inspections, it is likely they would assume at least a portion of the inspection costs that fall on ISDs. This would likely take the form of redirecting staff time from other required activities or the hiring of additional staff to meet the bill's requirements. During these past 3 years, Lilliana's Law has faced opposition. Currently, we face opposition from the Michigan Association of Superintendents and the Department of Health and Human Services. We need your help, and I need your help. So how can you help? As I said before, we're currently waiting for our next hearing in the Ways and Means Committee. Call, email, or write to them. Address your concerns. Tell them you support Lilliana's Law. On the same website, under Representatives, you can find your own state representative. Address the same concerns. Our children have the right to be safe while attending school. Show your support. Sign the petition at lilianaslaw.com. I also send petition packages, which includes pre-stamped envelopes. If you would like a petition package, please direct message me either on Liliana's Law's Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account. The majority of the information I'll be sharing in the series is already listed throughout Liliana's Law's Facebook page. Share the information. Michigan is a big state, and we're our children's advocates. Lastly, share this episode. Our next episode will shed light on the people who've helped get us this far. Don't forget, the links of the information I've shared today will be located in the comments section. I will update when the next episode will be released. Thank you. I appreciate your support. My family appreciates your support, and the representatives that's been working so hard to make Liliana's Law a reality appreciate your support. Please share the information and share this video.